You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 2028. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10 over 13 from both sides. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 156 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 2028.